Last year alone, over 50,000 patients in the European Union were waiting for a life-saving organ transplant, one that could replace a failing heart, kidney, or another vital organ. Tragically, many lost their lives simply because a suitable donor was not available. To address this shortage, scientists are turning to innovative solutions, and one of the most promising solutions is the 3D bioprinting of organs. "3D-printed organs." It sounds like science fiction, but it's actually closer to reality than you think. However, there is still one major obstacle, and that's the creation of a blood vessel network on the inside of the bioprinted organ. Once you print an organ that is bigger than a sugar cube, it needs blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients to its core. Without them, the cells in the core will die. In 3D bioprinting, we use two ingredients, cells and gels. When mixed, they form a bioink, which a bioprinter stacks layer by layer to create a three-dimensional organ structure. But there is a challenge. Once printed, the cells can't move around enough to find each other and form the tiny blood vessels needed to keep the organ alive. So how do we fix this? We can introduce small holes throughout the printed organ, giving cells the space they need to move and connect. Imagine the structure looking like a kitchen sponge, full of tiny pathways. To create these holes, I have developed a new technology called porogenes. Porogenes are tiny particles mixed into the bioink. After printing the bioink into an organ structure, we remove the porogenes, leaving behind the small holes. And these holes then allow the cells to form the blood vessel networks, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the core of the organ. By improving blood vessel growth in 3D printed organs, it will be possible to create larger human-sized organs, such as hearts, livers, or kidneys in the lab. So when will the first lab-grown organ be available? Well, we expect it to be within the next 20 to 30 years, eliminating donor organ shortages and saving millions of lives.